Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we put products head to head so you can make the best buying decisions. Today, we've got a 3D printer showdown between the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Buckle up, because things are about to get filament-tastic. First up, let's talk about the price. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is like that cheap but reliable car you had in college, coming in at just $239. Meanwhile, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is more like a luxury sedan at $479. You could almost buy two Kobra 2 Neos for the price of one Adventurer. Your wallet might just thank you for going with the Kobra. Alright, speed demons, let's see which one of these bad boys can burn rubber or, filament. The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second. Impressive, right? But hold on to your hats, because the Adventurer 5M supposedly zooms at up to 600 millimeters per second. That's not a printer, that's a filament Ferrari. Just make sure your model doesn't take off and start a new life in the witness protection program. Now let's talk about the extruders and nozzles, or as I like to call them, the fire-breathing dragons of the 3D printing world. The Kobra 2 Neo has a newly integrated extruder with a 60W hot end and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. That's like having a tiny hurricane inside your printer. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M offers rapid nozzle changes in just 3 seconds and a high-flow 32 cubic millimeters per second nozzle. It's like a Swiss Army knife for your filament needs. Need to change nozzles? Bam! Done. Need a high-flow nozzle? Bam! Done. It's like the printer equivalent of a multi-tool. Next up, print quality and stability. The Kobra 2 Neo uses linear propulsion and input shaping functions to reduce spillage and print resonance. It's like having a built-in Bob Ross making sure every happy little tree is perfect. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M has dual fan nozzles and vibration compensation, making it sound like it's ready to perform a symphony while it prints. Both are great, but if you're a novice, the Kobra's easier setup might be just what you need to avoid turning your first print into modern art. Last but not least, customer support. Anycubic offers a 1-year after-service and lifetime technical support. Print head and heated bed warranties are shorter, but hey, they're still there. On the flip side, FLASHFORGE gives you a month for free returns, 1-year warranty, and a 12-hour response service. It's like having a hotline to 3D printing heaven. Zero risk purchase, more like zero stress purchase. Reviewers have a lot to say about both printers. For the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, users love its rapid prototyping capabilities, ease of setup, and robust build quality, though some have faced issues with network detection and print reliability. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its speed, accuracy, and ease of use, but some users have encountered noise and initial setup issues. Overall, both printers have strong points and minor drawbacks, making them solid choices depending on your specific needs. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is your budget-friendly, fast, and easy-to-use option, perfect for beginners and those who like to save a buck. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, on the other hand, is the high-speed, versatile, and smart choice for those who want all the bells and whistles and are willing to pay for them. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.